Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to copyright your screenplay with the US Copyright Office. Now, it is very important to copyright your screenplay. You might have heard that if you mail your screenplay to yourself, then that's copyrighted. Don't believe it, that's not true. Even if you register with the WGA, you still need to copyright with the US Copyright Office, and I'm going to show you just how to do that. I have spoken to two separate attorneys that have told me that the WGA doesn't provide enough protection in case there's an infringement, and you need to register with the US Copyright Office and you need to do it properly. I'm going to show you all you need to know about registering your screenplay with the US Copyright Office and doing it correctly. This is by no means not any legal advice. Please consult your attorney for legal advice. Okay, so the first thing to do to register your screenplay with the US Copyright Office is to go to copyright.gov. Then you want to go to registration, click on that, and it is very important to register your work in the correct category, and the correct category is the performing arts. It is not motion picture, literary works, or visual arts, or anything else. It is performing arts. It's very important to register your work correctly so that if someone infringes on your work, you can claim and get your due justice. Okay, so click on performing arts. And then here, if you scroll down, you'll see here, register the work, a work of the performing arts. Click on that. And then here, you might see two pop-ups. Just click OK. In this case, I don't see them, but if you do see them, just click OK. And then if you have never created an account, then you're going to want to click here to register a new user. And all you're going to do is fill out your information here, just your name, your password, and some details, some questions. And then on the next page, you're just going to put in your phone number and your address, and that's it. It's just a two-step process to register. There's one point I want to bring up is the password. It is very tricky for the password. The password is very specific, and if you don't take a note of how specific the password is, you might spend a long time trying to create a password and it will keep rejecting it. So your password should be at least 6 characters. It should also include some special characters as well, and it should not include any of these special marks. And it should include uppercase, lowercase, number, any of these 3 or 4 stuff, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters. And the most important and trickiest part of this password is a password cannot contain 3 of the same characters. For example, it cannot contain the words eerie because the letter E is used 3 times in the word. So in this case, you have the word E 3 times, it won't work. So you need to make sure that you don't use a letter more than twice, else your password won't work. Okay, so once you create your passwords, fill out this page, click next, fill out your address and your phone number, then you'll be ready to sign into your account. Okay, let me go back to the page where I log into my account. Okay, now we are logged in, and you can create a new registration. So right here it says copyright registration, then it says register a work, then you're gonna click standard application, and then you're gonna click start registration, and then it's gonna ask you the type of work. You need to select work of the performing arts, And as you can see, it includes screenplay or script. So this is the correct category to put your register your screenplay in. And then you want to click that you confirm that is the correct type of work you're registering. And then you want to click continue. And then and over here you can see the different sections and how much you have to do before you're finished. So this is the title. You're going to enter your title of your work, click new to enter it, and the down arrow here, and then title of work being registered is the correct option, and then in here you put the title of your work. And then here it shows you that you have inputted it. Now you're going to click continue, and then publication. Has this work been published? No. Year of completion was this year. And then this is the authors, name of the authors. So if you have multiple authors, you can add them in here. So individual author, you put in your name. Was this work for hire? No, it was not. And then your citizenship. And then you click save. And then it's important to put that it's other text. This includes script, screenplay, dramatic work. So this is where you want to select. Then you click save. And then if you have more authors to add, then you can add more, but in this case it's just me. So you click continue, and then you go to the claimants. So who's gonna be the claimant? That will be me. So in that case it'll be you. So just put in your information here. I went ahead and filled this out, so now I'm gonna click save. So now the details is down here. So next I'm gonna click continue. Okay, so this section is about limiting your claim. There's no limitation on this claim, so we're gonna click continue. And then here is rights and permission information. This is you provide the contact information of the person or organization that needs to be contacted regarding copyright management information or permission to use work. So here you can fill out your information or whoever information that you'd like to fill out for the person who you'd like to be contacted in regards to copyrights and permission of use. So you go ahead and fill out your information here. Okay, so I filled out my information here. So next you click continue. Okay, and then correspondent. So this is your information you're going to put here so that the copyright office can contact you in case they have any questions about your application. Okay, so I have filled out my information here, so I'm going to click continue. And then this is where you want your certificate to be mailed. So you're gonna put in all your information so that your certificate can be mailed to you. Okay, so I have filled out my information here. So next you're gonna click continue. This section is for special handling for expedited service. I don't need that, and unless you have like a urgent court proceeding or your lawyer needs it, that's the only way this will be relevant, but it won't be relevant. So we can move forward. As you can see, it's optional, so we can move forward. And then here is the part where you verify that you're the author. So you click the checkbox here, and you're going to put your name in here, and any note that you have you put in here, but it's optional, so just your name should be fine here. So once you put your name in here and you've checked this box, then you click continue and you're about to be finished, it's just for you to review everything. Make sure you review it, make sure that it is correct, and then you add to cart, and then you're gonna pay for it. And once you've paid for it, then you'll be able to upload your your screenplay, so that it can be registered. So you can pay by card, and you just pay the amount, and then once you've paid, then you'll upload your screenplay, and then you'll receive an email confirmation, and then your certificate will be mailed to you. So it's as easy as that. If you have any questions, please ask it in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching.